Given that x minus 4 less than 4 and x minus 4 greater than negative 4, which of the following is true? Is it A, x greater than negative 4 and less than 8? Is it B, x greater than negative 4 and less than 0? Is it C, x greater than 0 and less than 8? Or is D, x greater than 4 and less than 8? And with this question, you see that we have been given two inequalities and we have to solve them differently, okay? So we solve the first inequality and solve the second inequality. After that, we use that to form the solution set and we compare the results with the options given. So let's solve it. Now we have x minus 4 and that is less than 4. And we also have x minus 4 and that is greater than negative 4. So these are the two inequalities given to us. So now let's solve the first one. We have x minus 4 less than 4. So what you're going to do is to write those having x in them at one side. Those that are only constant to the other side. Simply put, you group like terms, right? Good. So we are making x the subject here. We have only one x in this. So you bring your inequality sign. We have 4 here. Now we are sending this negative 4 from this side to this side, okay? So since it's negative, it will be what? Positive at this side. Now we have x less than 4 plus 4 gives us what? 8. Now we finished this. After solving this one, we made x the subject and we are having the results to be what? 8. Now let's solve the second one. The second one is what? X minus 4 greater than negative 4. And that too, we are still going to make x the subject of this inequality. So you write your x. Now you write those constants at the other side. We write our inequality sign. We came to meet negative 4 here. And then we are sending the negative 4 from the left hand side to the right hand side. So it will be positive, right? So we have positive 4. Now we have x greater than negative 4 plus 4 gives us what? 0. So you see that we have two inequalities here. We are saying x is less than 8 and this x is greater than 0. So we can form the solution set, right? So the solution set will now be x is greater than 0. That means 0 is less than x, right? So we first write 0 and that is less than x. That is from this side. And when we come here, we are saying the same x is less than 8. So since we are having x here, we write our less than sign and we bring 8. I hope you get me. So x is greater than 0, x is greater than 0, and the same x is less than 8. So x is less than 8. So this becomes the solution set. Now let's compare the results that we've had here with the options given to us in the question. Is it option A? Is it B? Is it C? Is it D? Which of them do you think is correct? The correct answer is what? C, which is x is greater than 0 and at the same time less than 8.